In a significant operation, the Central Crime Branch (CCB) police raided a farmhouse near Electronic City, Bengaluru, disrupting an ongoing rave party in the early hours. The Anti-Narcotics Division of the CCB led the raid, uncovering a cache of drugs, including 17 MDMA pills and cocaine. Over 100 attendees from Andhra Pradesh and Bengaluru were present at the event, which was disguised as a birthday party and continued past 2 a.m. at GR Farmhouse. Among the attendees were more than 25 young women, and the party allegedly attracted several high-profile individuals. The police arrested 5 persons during the raid, and the venue is currently under investigation. A case has been registered at the Electronic City police station as authorities continue to probe the involvement of other participants and the extent of drug distribution at the event.